sing that shit.
Hey everyone, so I've got one of these futuristic toilets here. So this is one of those smart toilets. You can see it already looks pretty futuristic. The toilet seat itself is warm, so it's not cold when you sit on it. There was a light in there, and this is like all the switches. So this is gonna flush it. You can do like a full-on flush or like a half flush. It's got a bunch of different modes on here that you can play around with. You can change the temperature of the seat. You can have the bidet function, which, uses water. You can see that there is a dim light, so it's not too bright. So at nighttime, you can see what's going on over there. And this is the full-on controls. You can change the positioning of the water and the bidet. Like I said, it's one of those futuristic toilets, and it's pretty neat. It's pretty cool. It's a nice looking toilet.
So I purchased the smart toilet a few months ago, and here's a few things I wish I had have known. First of all, it comes with a heated seat. Look, you can see it in my thermal camera. Super nice. Also, it has an automatic flushing feature. It will just flush when you leave, and it will go ahead and close the lid. Takes a second here, but there it goes. I love to see that. Oh, the wife loves it that the toilet seat is always closed. You know what I'm saying? It has a remote control, so many different buttons and features. It took me a while to figure them out, but actually it was really simple if you look at the owner's manual. So it can wash after you go to the bathroom. No need for toilet paper, nothing like that. Anyways, this toilet is amazing, packed with so many features. It even has a night light for when you're in the dark. I would recommend it to anyone.